Hi everyone. Today I thought of unboxing another product bought during lockdown. This became an essential part, probably everybody understood by this time that we need to do haircuts and shaving during lockdown. So it was difficult during this lockdown phase because most of the barbershop are closed. What I did my research. I was already having a Braun all-in-one trimmer, shower-proof, waterproof trimmer cum shaver. It was 5 year old and the battery died, and it has a different set of battery which I was not able to replace or repair. So I had to went ahead and buy a new one. Now this is the cheapest alternative and nicely reviewed product that I found in Flipkart. It was delivered pretty early or pretty soon also, like within 2 days Flipkart delivered it. It costed me 427 rupees. Yes, you heard it right. It's 427 rupees. It's Nova NHT 1049. They have another product called 1046. So let me quickly go ahead and open this one and show it to you guys what it contains. Now again, it clearly says trimmer. I have used it to shave my beard. It was not a complete shave, like it's not a clean shave, but it did the job pretty well. And either way, we all are wearing masks at least for the next 1 year, so nobody's gonna notice your mustache or your beard. But it worked out pretty well. Let's see what's inside. So starting off, I see a power adapter. It's a very basic one. Okay, used to come in old days radios. Two attachments. One is a 6 mm and one is a 9 mm. Okay, it has a 600 mAh AA size battery. The good part is if this battery goes down, you can simply replace with any other AA rechargeable battery. It works out well. So that was the objective, because Braun has a special battery which I was not able to replace. This is a fluid. I'll explain about this fluid or lubrication oil later on. A nice pouch, Nova written on it, synthetic pouch. Now the actual trimmer. Okay, wrapped in the plastic. Looks nice, good in one. Now remember guys, I have already used this product just for the sake of understanding how good it is, and then I'm reviewing this. This is a small brush which is handy. Again, I'll explain. So this trimmer comes with a titanium coated, at least that's what is mentioned in the box, blades. Okay, and the good part about it, the zero line is pretty close. Okay, so it tries its best to do a clean shave, but it cannot be treated as a good product for clean shave. Alright, one LED indicator that basically glows red when you are charging it, and the on off switch, pretty handy, good to grip, good color. You have many other color options as well if you can find. This is the battery compartment, fairly simple, basic. Now remember, this is not waterproof, although you can actually remove, it's very easy, you can remove this head, just pressing it, it comes out. Okay, you can see the mechanism motor also inside. This piece of metal is washable. This is the blade basically. Alright, let me attach it back. Okay, how to do. Alright, now let me attach the battery. Okay, sorry, the switch was turned on. No indicator. If you slide up, it start functioning, and you might see the blades working as well. Okay, so that's how it functions, nothing different. If I attach the 9 mm one, so this is the length you get, that's the max length. If I attach the 6 mm one, that's the max length you get. Okay. Now, it's not only beard that we had to take care during lockdown, but I had a special need of haircut also, which was difficult. So I used this trimmer extensively for almost like 40 minutes to trim down or cut my hair. And trust me guys, it worked out very well. Although I had to use scissors because you can trim towards the like side and the back side of your head, but you cannot actually trim or cut top of your head unless you want to go to a close to blonde or bald look. Okay, all right. Let me show you the purpose of this fluid. So every time you use this, there are two pieces of metal. One is this golden shade metal, the other one is a silver shade metal. Okay. So this metal slides with each other. So it's better to lubricate it once in a while so that the metal remains in good shape, the sharpness of the blade remains. You don't have to use big amount, you just put few little droplets. Switch on the machine. Oops, I have to attach back the battery. Switch on the machine, it will self lubricate. So it basically will allow the life of the blade to be more, okay, and it will remain sharp. Okay, all right, keeping the battery aside. Now the purpose of this brush, when you are doing our dry shaving or trimming, you will see hairs stuck here in this area, and if the beards are too strong or it is moist, it has water in it, bits of it at least, it will get stuck here. So you have to use this brush to move out the hairs. Okay. Even like when you are done with your shaving or trimming, you take out the blade, you wash it, still you will need a brush to take off the hair particles or hairs from within these teeth. Okay, it's very difficult to take out the hairs from this teeth, so that's why you need this brush. Okay. Alternatively, you may use a toothbrush also, but that's completely up to you. Now, coming to the price point, for 427 rupees, it is not only cheap, but it does the work pretty well. I've been using Braun like Cruise 6, it is like 5-7 years old model. It was not this good. I mean, 7 years back, the trimmers were not that popular. I bought it as a German company. I thought it would be much nicer, but I found it not that great in terms of it like trimming quality. Although it was okay, but that costed me around 2700 and this costed me only 427. That's the difference. It is doing the job correct. And what may go wrong? The battery may go wrong. This is simple AA size rechargeable battery. You can buy it at your local shop. The blade, as I showed you, this is removable and you can buy it separately also from Nova. This is available. You can replace it. That's it. And 419 rupees, guys. If you go to a proper haircut salon, they will charge you 500 rupees for one sitting. So that's how convenient it is. I found it very handy, very convenient. These are the product attachment. That's about it, guys. Let me know if you have any form of specific questions to this Nova product. I'll try to answer you back. Thank you.